Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. I have a fun video to do today. I am doing a little science experiment with some diapers. So I use Huggies for regular diapers and overnight diapers. And when I was just using his regular diapers, like months ago, he would leak through and his pajamas would be wet in the morning. So I found that Huggies made overnight diapers, so I decided to try those. And I've had a few leaks here and there, but very rare. But I just had thought, I wonder if these are actually worth it to have to go and buy a separate box, or is the regular diapers the same absorbency? So that is what I'm going to find out today. I have one of his regular diapers. He wears a size 4, and this is the Huggies Snug and Dry. And then the overnight diaper, and they only make one kind of overnight diaper that I know of. So on Huggies website, it says that the Huggies Overnites are the #1 selling nighttime diaper. And it says that it is their most absorbent diaper. It says they both dry with up to 12 hours of leakage protection on both. So I didn't really see too much of a difference between these in the description on their website, just that these are designed for sleep and these are just designed for daily wear. This one does feel a teeny tiny bit more thick, and the overnight ones have a different little secure attachment for the waistband. So it really helps for it to stay in place. So that's basically the only difference. They both have the little yellow lines to tell how much pee is in there or when it's time to change the diaper. But other than that, that's about it. So what I'm gonna do is, let me just kind of show you my setup here. I have a little Pyrex glass dish that I'm gonna put the diaper in. And then I have a glass measuring bowl cup thing, and I think I'm gonna do 3 cups of water, and I think I'm gonna put some food coloring in there so we can actually see. So I guess we'll first start out with the regular diaper. We're 2 cups down now. We just have 1 cup left. Okay, it's really starting to leak out the sides now. Okay, it looks like it absorbed when I kind of moved it around a little bit. So I added a 1/2 cup. Wow, it's still really absorbed. You can see it coming out and pooling when I press it with my hands. So we did 3.5 cups in this one. Okay, so let me take this one out and see the other one. Ugh. Okay, so I put 3.5 cups in this one just so I have it all here. It's definitely absorbing a lot faster, I feel. So I'm pouring it pretty quickly. Yeah, it pools, but it's a little harder to get pooling compared to this one. Let's see. I could probably pour more in this one. It's not even pooling. This one's not either. Oh, my Lanta. Okay, so I'm back to the regular diaper because it seemed like I can almost pour even more in here. So let's try this. Added another cup.
Look here.
Okay. Yeah, if you guys can see, it's really pooling on the sides. So looks like it was maxed out. Okay, we'll let this one sit a minute and let's see if we can get any more in this guy. So I have 1/2 cup left. Okay, so let's see. This one like feels pretty dry still. It's crazy. Yeah, this other one's still pooled really bad, but this one it's still soaking up. So this one is the regular diaper. This one has 4 cups in it. And look how dark it is. But this one, it's like so dry. This one, look at it pooling. This one has the same amount, the same exact amount, and it's so dry. Okay, we're gonna keep going with that. So I added a 1/2 cup. Yep, it's absorbing it. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's turning light again, still compared to this one. All right, so here's another 1/2 cup. All right, we'll give that a minute and see. It's seeping out when you do it, all the bubbles. It soaked it all up. And that blue line in the front. Change me! Okay, let's see if this one can take any more. Just to give it a fair shot. I got a 1/2 cup. The other one never pools like this. It seeps in a lot faster. Okay, we'll give that a minute. Let's check on this other one. Yep, it's soaked. This one is all soaked up again. This one's taking a little longer. We'll give that a minute. Okay, we're gonna add another 1/2 cup to the overnight. This one is starting to get to his max over here. Oh, all right, so as of right now, this one, the overnight, has 5.5 cups, and the regular Snug and Dry has 4.5. You could totally see that this one, it's a lot darker. It still pools when I press on it. This one feels just really firm. I definitely have to press a lot harder for it to pool. This one, I barely press. If I put any more in this, I don't think it would be able to take it. It just feels so watery, like a water balloon. This one feels so sturdy. It definitely eases my mind to know that my money is going towards a product that is actually doing what it says it's supposed to do. And I feel like it is the most absorbent. I feel like I can just keep putting more and eventually it'll absorb. And I kind of am interested to see what it looks like cut open. So I'm going to do that. Just so if anybody was curious to see what the inside of a diaper looks like. They're like little tiny jellies. Wow. The deeper I go, the darker it is. Wow. That is interesting. Kind of fun to play with. Wow. It just keeps going down, way down there. This one's a lot darker compared to this one. Oh, this one is a lot more watery. Ugh. Ugh. So here's the overnight. Yeah, it doesn't feel very wet. It still feels kind of dry. This one is just sopping. So I am pleased to say that the overnight diaper is the most absorbent. I am very happy that haven't been wasting my money buying these separate boxes, and that it actually fulfills what it says it does. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more experiments or something that you've been curious about, whether compared to this or that, let me know and I will try it. So I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.